The end is near. Well, not really. How in the world would you be expected to keep all of this planning we've been talking about up to date when everything changes? Your finances, your health, the law, the advice that I would give you. Well, you can't do it on your own because it's too complicated. Therefore, we have put together a membership program in our firm called the Inner Circle, which keeps you posted on all of the law changes, all of the new strategies and techniques, and also provides you with updates and changes to your documents for free as a member. It gives you all kinds of other benefits as well as guaranteed no probate of your estate. But we encourage all of our clients to become members of the Inner Circle so we can take care of you over the years. Estate planning is not a one-time event. It's a dynamic process that needs to be adjusted and amended as your life and the laws change. 49. How in the world would your family members settle this trust that we've created for you? Even though it's not a probate and it's a lot simpler to deal with, there are still details to tend to. Well, we've put together over 30 years of practice, a fantastic manual that we call our How to Settle My Trust Manual, which is option 11. And you might find it a wonderful gift to give to your kids that will help them figure out the ins and outs of taking care of your estate if you get sick or if you die. This manual is chock full of information in its 200+ pages and will help your children save money by reducing the costs of settling your estate. Many of our clients jump for this manual. It's a great tool. Well, I've talked about a few highfalutin ideas. Maybe they don't fit you. If you have a very modest estate, or young kids and not a big estate, or you're absolutely convinced that your life is so simple you don't need to complicate it with any planning techniques we've talked about, you're still all in luck. Because we do things for folks that are simple as well as strategic. And you'll see in your green sheets there is a simple will estate plan that might be just perfect for many of the folks in this room. But you see there are some mandatory things we do when we do a will. That's the same disability toolkit I showed you under the Living Trust Estate Plan. So you get, when you do a simple will, powers of attorney, the living will, and the HIPAA releases automatically. You just can't do without those. We would go through your various options and help you decide whether or not one option or basic plan was good for you. You would be in charge of any decision, of course. It's your family, it's your money, it's your plan. But during that initial meeting, we're able to help about 97.5% of our clients figure out what to do at that meeting. For those of you that have giant-sized estates or some non-traditional family planning issues, you're going to need more education. That really goes into what I call Wills and Trusts 301, and perhaps we could discuss the nuances of those issues when we met. For those of you that get motivated enough through this workshop to think, perhaps I should be doing a few other things. Maybe you like the trust. Maybe you like the bulletproofing. Maybe you like the vacation property preservation trust or the furry friends and family trust, whatever. You might find that this is the perfect time for you to consider getting your planning done. I have 4 attorneys that do this work: myself, Bill Carpenter, Lori Wirt, and Dan Shoup. You will work with one of us, and we would be honored for the opportunity to work with you. Thanks for being here. Drive safe. Thank you.